Welcome back, children. We will do chapter 5 of science. The name of the chapter is Plants in Our Surroundings. Roots are the part of the plant which grow below the ground, and shoot is the part of the plant which grows above the ground. Roots are of two kinds, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot is the main root which comes out of the stem from which different branches come out. And fibrous root is the root which grows from the stem in a bunch. Many branches come out of the stem together. Roots grow in the soil. In the soil is water and mineral salts. Water gets absorbed by the roots and that water goes up above the shoot. This is the work of the root, that it absorbs water from the soil and takes the mineral salts from the soil. Next function is water and minerals are required by plants for their growth. As you need food to grow and get energy, water and minerals help the plants to grow and get energy. Shoot has a stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. This is the flowers and the fruits. Stem is the main and upper part of the plant. It bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. The thick, woody and strong stem of a tree is called a trunk. The trunk of the tree is straight and upright. Trees such as mango, peepal and neem have trunk. You can see in the picture, this is the trunk. The woody part of the tree is called the trunk. Plants like grapevine and pea have weak stems. These plants either grow along the ground or they need support of other plants, walls or sticks to grow. In this picture you can see the grapevine. It needs a support. And this is the pea. Pea plant also needs a support. Most stems keep plants straight and upright. They bear leaves, flowers and fruits. They carry water and nutrients from roots to leaves. They carry food from the leaves to all parts of the plants. You see in the picture, you can see water and minerals are going into the plant through the roots, and leaves are doing their functions. Leaves grow on stems. They are mostly green in color. They are of different shapes and sizes. The color of leaves is green due to presence of a pigment called chlorophyll. Children, you have seen the leaves. They are mostly green in color. Why are they green in color? Because there is a pigment present in the leaves called as chlorophyll. This flat surface, this whole flat surface is called a leaf blade. These tiny tubes, they cover the whole leaf blade. These are called veins. From the center of the leaf, from tip to the end, is passing. This is called midrib. This is the petiole or stalk. It connects the leaf to the stem. These are the leaves, sunlight and carbon dioxide. It is taking the carbon dioxide. The green leaves have chlorophyll and it gives out oxygen. It is taking water from the roots. And this process is known as photosynthesis. And children, there are large number of tiny openings on leaves called stomata. Stomata help the leaves to breathe and helps in taking air, and this air helps in photosynthesis, and in the air there is lots of carbon dioxide. The trees take the carbon dioxide and makes the air fresh. It gives out oxygen which we breathe in. Leaves of few plants store food and it is used for eating. For example, spinach, cabbage, coriander. Most flowers are brightly colored and have sweet and pleasant smell. A flower lives only for a short period of time. Most flowers change into fruits. Fruits contain one or more seeds inside them. When these seeds are sown in soil, they grow into new plants. From where these fruits grow? These fruits grow from the flowers and they contain seeds inside them which grows into new plants. Thus, flowers help the plants to reproduce. Therefore, flowers are important for plants. See in the picture, eggplant. Small plant is growing from a seed. You can see how it is growing. Flowers have come, fruits have come. Fruits grow from flowers. Most fruits are sweet and fleshy. The fruits contain seed inside them. Fruits like mango and lychee have a single seed inside them. Fruits like apple, orange and lemon contain a few seeds inside them. Inside an apple, there are few seeds, 2, 3, 4. In an orange also and lemon also, they contain more than one seed. Fruits like papaya, watermelon, guava contain many seeds inside them. See here, there are so many seeds. And whenever you eat any fruit, don't throw the seeds away. Keep them with you, dry them, and after some days, you can sow them in the soil. They will grow into a new plant. Thank you.